Alrighty, Terry, here's your 347 small block Ford. Get description of its foundation. It's got our ass cast head on it. Got the Holley manifold. Holley Terminator X. Beautiful mark setup. All hands. Here's some floor paint. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Okie 3500 is 403 foot-pounds of torque. So I got Pete's torque 408, real flat there. Pete's horsepower 421. We rated 425. Front end's about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure the exhaust's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. Receiver in, you'll find a single set credit cards, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. Make your installation a lot better. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look anything up for you. Flip it over. It's got this QR code. There again, hover over that. It'll take you to some more tech stuff. So really pay attention to all this. It'll help you. Have a great day.